Huh. How much?
2673,023.
Means
This is the
around 27
principal,
lakhs. You are telling around 27 lakhs.
right? Plus the tax is of 2,13,852.
So total how much amount we have to pay?
28,86,875. We have sent you a demand letter as well.
28 lakhs. 28 lakhs.
Yeah, 28,86,875.
Okay. So I think I have sent one email regarding this that it is not possible for us to pay right now because we both are working on half of the salary. So we cannot afford such a big loan. Did you get the mail that we sent to Loda?
When did you send it?
Immediately when we got this one, we received this demand letter. That the same day I sent the mail.
This demand was raised on 1st of May, ma'am.
I think then 1st or 2nd of May I have sent the mail regarding this that it is
I
not
do not
possible.
see it.
So no, I have sent it. Just you have a look. I have sent and now I am telling you what is the problem. We both are working on half of the salary and it is very means it is not possible only for us to take such a big loan and means I don't think any bank will allow us to take such a big loan if we are working on the half of the salary.
You already have a loan sanction with HDFC, right?
At that time when we sanctioned the loan, that time we were taking the whole salary, and for that now 6 to 7 months is over, and now we have to do reappraisal for the loan. After 6 months we do reappraisal now. We renew the loan after 6 months. This loan we have sanctioned in the month of July. So after six
Okay.
months we have to renew it. And when we went for renew now, that time the sales executive from your side only, he told us that you have to send the salary slips. And when he saw the salary slip, he said that now you are getting half of the salary. Now you are not eligible for such a loan, such a big loan. So what to do now? We cannot afford 28 lakhs means it's a very big amount.
Well, hold on. So initial loan was of how much? 28 lakhs what?
Actually, it was sanctioned 28 lakhs. That time it was sanctioned 28 lakhs because we both were eligible for it. But now, due to COVID, we are working on half of the salary. That I'm telling you. And
So
when the loan
help.
was, listen, when the loan was sanctioned, it was in the month of July, means 6 months back. And after 6 months, we have to do reappraisal. And when we do this procedure now, we have to give them a salary slip and bank statement. And from that, they came to know that we are working on half of the salary. And now, what the bank is telling, if you are working on half of the salary, how can we give you such a big loan? You are not eligible
Okay.
for this.
Now let me understand certain things. Okay.
Huh.
Because in order to help you out,
Yeah,
I will
sure.
need to understand certain things.
Yeah.
So first thing first, the house value is of almost 50 lakhs, out of which initially you took a loan of only 28 lakhs, correct?
Yes.
So at that point in time, basically remaining 22 odd lakhs, you were gonna pay out of your pocket, right?
One sec. What you are telling me? Already I have paid 23
I'm
lakhs.
asking you.
No, listen. 23 lakhs I have already paid, and now the demand is raised is 28 lakhs, correct? And then the next payment is around 4 to 5 lakhs, something like that. So
So this
first,
is what, no, hold on, ma'am, hold on.
huh.
I'm asking you, I'm not telling you,
Okay,
I'm
huh.
asking
Yeah,
you
yeah.
to
Okay,
understand.
huh.
So basically, whatever amount which is paid up until now, are you
Huh.
telling me that you have not taken a loan out for it?
No.
You
We
paid
have done the
everything
self
out of your
funding.
own.
We have
Okay,
paid by
this
self
is
funding.
okay.
Hello,
So up
huh.
until now, you don't have any loan whatsoever.
No. Right now we don't have any loan. We just sanctioned it and we kept it. But what they are saying that after 6 months,
Okay, so this is what got confused because once the amount is disbursed, no, your sanction that you
no,
would
no,
have
no.
to
You thought that.
so okay. So now you need a loan is basically what you're telling me.
Yes. Now we need the loan, and HDFC is not ready to give us the loan. So I want some extension period so that when we get the salary, full salary, around I think 6 to 7 months now, we'll get our full salary. At that time, we'll become eligible for such a big loan, and then we can pay. And this one more thing I want to ask you: when is the possession for Woodland for my unit? What is the possession date?
Woodlands, it's still under construction, so there is no possession date as of now to give like an exact date as such. I'm just checking on certain other things. Just give me one moment. Hold on.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah,
check
sure.
a few things. Because see, this demand is already raised,
Yeah.
so extension is not possible, ma'am.
See, before, listen what I am telling now. Before raising these demands, so many times I called and I talked to your customer care team, but then also they sent us the demand. I have
So
discussed
demand
my
will obviously
problem
be
with
raised,
them.
no, ma'am.
No, listen, I have discussed my problem with them, and even I told them if you want to discuss me this with some higher authority, I am ready to discuss with them also. So what shall I do if the bank is not giving us the loan? What shall I do?
See, I'll tell you one thing, ma'am, and please don't get me wrong.
Huh?
When it comes to payment, we
Yeah.
cannot guide you to do it because at the end of the day, we are real
See,
estate vendors.
listen, you're not,
If
see,
you are
Lodha is,
asking me a
listen,
question,
listen what
allow
I'm
me to
telling.
answer.
Listen, now Lodha is not giving the possession on time, whatever time period you have given, you have extended the time. Then if you can extend the time, then why can't we get the extension for this one, loan?
Are you gonna allow me to answer because you kept on asking me questions? You're not allowing me to complete my sentence. You keep on interrupting me. So
Okay.
let me tell you what it is. See, at the end of the day, when it comes to the payment portion,
Hmm.
it obviously depends on you. You can
Hmm.
either pay it, you can either self-fund and take a loan.
Hmm.
So we cannot comment on that, and whatever your decision would be, we would respect that.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, second of all, ma'am, when you're talking about the demand being raised, that is as per the agreement.
Hmm.
Because the payment schedule was agreed upon by you. The
Hmm.
price sheet was agreed upon you, post which you went ahead. We got the registration done, the agreement was prepared, and payment schedule is a part of the agreement, which
Hmm.
is as per the construction. So
Hmm.
as and when the slab is raised, the
Hmm.
demand is raised. There is no way to stop that.
Hmm. Correct.
Okay.
Hmm.
Second of all, when we are talking about the possession or the delay,
Hmm.
let me tell you, ma'am, that RERA is an authority, okay,
Hmm.
is a governing body which
Hmm.
gives all the builders a grace period of 18 months.
Hmm.
The government gives all the builders grace period of 18 months.
Hmm.
Okay, but it is because it is practically impossible to give one specific date 2 or 3 years ago and get everything completed on the other. That doesn't happen. And being realistic about
Three,
it, and 18 months,
18 months grace period.
18, correct,
Hmm.
18 months grace period is given.
Hmm.
Post that, if the possession is delayed, no, then the customer is liable for complaints,
Correct. Huh.
and that will be taken care of.
Hmm.
So don't worry about that, ma'am. And because the possession, if you're talking about the possession being delayed, ma'am, we have not even raised this thing, no, the demand. If you're telling me that as per the agreement, if your possession should have been, say, for example, today,
Hmm.
then accordingly, this demand that we are talking about
Hmm.
would have been raised long ago, not now. And if you're telling me that, say, for example, if this demand was raised 10 months ago, 10 months ago also you are facing the same issue that we are facing right now,
Why?
which means you would not have been able to make the
1 minute.
payment
How you can say like that? 10 months before I was facing the same issue. How you can say like that? Ten
because
months
you
before.
sp-
Listen, six
because
months before I was. We both were getting proper salary because and so
you mentioned COVID, ma'am, and
COVID.
COVID
Listen,
has been
let me
going on
speak
for
now.
over a
Can
year.
I speak? Can I speak? Huh?
No, go on.
Till now I was hearing you. No. Now can I speak? So what I
I was
want to.
not done talking, to be very honest
Okay,
with you,
okay.
but
You
yes,
complete
go
your.
on, ma'am.
Okay, you complete your set. Then I'll speak.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. So what I'm talking about is, it's a hypothetical situation. If this would have been raised in the past and if you would have been facing the same issue,
Hmm.
the late payment charges, the
Hmm.
interest fee would have been accumulating. That has not happened either. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So I believe you spoke with someone from our Lodha FinCorp team. Is that correct? Did
Regarding
you
what?
speak with someone in regards to your loan?
Yeah, so many times I spoke to them.
No, no, recently.
Yeah, recently also I think every 8 days after 8 days I used to speak with them.
And so right now you're not getting a loan. Is that what it is?
See what happened now? Again I'm telling you, you're talking about 10 months back, and what I told you, 6 months back we took the loan. Six no, not six exactly 6 months, 8 to 9 months back we took the loan in July, and that time we were getting proper salary. Now why this has happened? Only because of COVID. From last 4 months we are getting half of the salary. From last 4 months. So now the demand is raised in this month, May, correct? And now we are not eligible for this. So I just want to request that now because of this COVID, everybody is supporting and everybody is cooperating. So Lodha should also cooperate with the customer. If they are not eligible for the loan, what they are going to do? You should understand our problem, no?
So, no, you are absolutely correct in stating this, ma'am.
Hmm.
So, when this COVID era started and when salaries were getting cut down, no, that was in the month of March last year,
It is
post
not
which
everywhere
one,
like that. Listen, not everywhere like that.
again, ma'am, if you will keep on interrupting, there is absolutely no point of us having this conversation. You are
No, you
asking
were
me something
asking
and
me
you are
now.
not allowing. No, I was not asking you, I was telling you, and you stopped me. You are keeping on doing that, ma'am. If you keep on interrupting me, there is no possible way for us to keep on having a conversation about it. What I'm trying to tell you over here is you are telling me that Lodha should understand and do certain things.
Hmm.
You are absolutely correct. I am telling you we have already done it because when the pandemic hit, which was in the month of March last year, post which the salary starting getting deducted,
Hmm.
we did help our customers out. To be very honest with you, ma'am, you are the first person and I speak to over 700 customers. That is the number of
Means what
client
help
base
you
that I
did? I
handle.
don't know. What help Lodha
Again,
did?
you are interrupting me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So
Listen,
now what do you expect out of me? Tell me that.
listen, what you want, what you expect from me means you will go and keep on saying something, and I just have to listen what you are telling me. I cannot raise my question. I cannot raise my query also. Means
Yes, you can, but if
so
you are, then allow me to answer.
now what you
Because if you
said.
ask me one question, you're not allowing me to answer. You're
Listen,
asking me second question, and that is exactly what's
now what
happening.
you told me that Lodha has cooperated and Lodha is going on helping. So I just want to know what type of help or cooperation Lodha has done.
To you, for
No,
you,
no,
for others.
about
So,
whom?
so that
About
is
whom?
exactly what I'm saying, ma'am. If you would not interrupt me, you would have gotten your answer already. My problem is that you're interrupting me after asking me a question. I don't have a problem you asking me a question, ma'am. Allow
Okay,
me
you
to
carry
answer
on.
what I'm telling you.
You carry
And
on.
what I'm telling you is, okay, so let me be very simple, very straight to the point, and let's keep this conversation crisp.
Hmm.
What you're expecting right now was done last year. It cannot be done right now because, honestly speaking, all the people who got a reduction in their salary has come on par right now. To be very honest with you, you're telling me it has happened with you right now. I'm not denying the fact that it must not have happened. I'm going by your word. But unfortunately, right now, we cannot do much because whatever we could, we have done it. We have sustained loss as well from a business perspective in crores as well, ma'am. And we have done as much as we could do for our customers. In terms of this particular thing, the demand is already raised. So an extension cannot be possible. On delayed payments, yes, there are delayed payment charges applicable as you're already aware about it. What I would advise in this situation would be to check as to how much amount loan sanction are you actually getting, if not 28, if it's less. Have you reapplied for it is what I'm trying to
Means
understand.
what you are trying to tell me, I'm not getting it. What
Which part did you not get?
means what you said now? How much loan means? Now you told me 28 lakhs is our demand.
No, no, 28 lakhs is the loan sanction that you were getting in the past, correct?
Yeah, huh. Yes.
So right now, check again,
Hmm.
apply for it as to how much you are getting. If not
Okay.
28, how much you are getting.
Okay.
Because right now we are speculating
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
or certain things. Let's get an actual answer.
Okay,
You
huh.
never know, the bank may just do something as well depending upon the salary. I do not know how much salary you earn. If your
Right.
salary was 10 lakhs per month, which has come down to 5 lakhs, you will still, I'm sure, you will get 28 lakhs loan. Okay, so there are a lot of factors taken into
Correct.
consideration. What I will do is, do you have Shrikant's number?
Yeah,
Did you check?
I have.
Okay. When was the last time you spoke with him? Did you speak in the last few days?
No, no. He has given me somebody else's number. Uday Bhan something is there. Uday Bhan.
From HDFC.
Yeah,
Okay.
HDFC. I talked to him. So what he said that time when we applied now, my husband was having 49,000 salary.
No, no, ma'am. Hold on. I got your point.
Huh.
I'm asking you, did
Huh.
you resubmit your this thing, your
Yes,
documents?
yes.
Thing? Okay. When did you do it?
Not yesterday. Before yesterday only I had a talk with him. Huh. So he
Okay.
said,
You submitted your documents like your ITR, your bank statements, your salary slips. You've given all those things?
he asked me for this.
Latest.
Yes,
Huh.
latest. I had a talk with him. He told me to submit all these papers. At that time, I
Okay.
told him if I'm going to submit these papers, bank will reject my loan. He asked me why. I said because we are working on half of the salary. Then he said that it is not possible, ma'am. I cannot help you. If you are working on half of the salary, what can I do? So I didn't submitted my paper because
Hold on,
first
let me
I
get
have to
Udayban on the
ask.
line. Let
हाँ,
me have a word with Udayban. Hold on.
take Budaman online.
So not a problem. In the interest of time, have a word with him again. If not Udayban, try and see if you can get some other loan from somewhere else.
I can directly talk to HDFC people also because I know many of them there. No, I don't need Udayban and some other person from Lodha
Okay.
also. But
Okay.
what the thing is, you give me the solution. What you're trying to tell me, I'm not getting it. What you're trying to tell me that what I have to do now?
See, I was telling you because
Huh.
I do not know how much your salary was, how much your
I'm
salary
telling
is.
you na, you ask me na, then I'm ready to tell because I am in the problem, so I
I
want the
am not,
solution.
I would not be the one to give you the loan. That call would be bank's call, no?
Okay,
So
huh.
try for it is what I'm trying to tell you. Let's not assume
Okay, huh,
anything
huh,
that you
huh.
will definitely not get it. You never know, you might just end up getting it as well if your civil is that great,
अच्छा, हाँ.
is what I'm trying to tell you. Let's not assume anything.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Udayban would have processed your request
Hmm.
because you told him it's not gonna happen. He did not bother doing it.
No, I told him what is the situation. Means I asked him as a query. I
So,
asked
ma'am,
him as a
ma'am,
query.
keep that to the bank's end. No. At the end of the day, the call will be banks, whether to give you a loan sanction or no. Let's not assume and tell bank that I'm not gonna get it, don't give it to me. Because that puts your loan application file on a negative track already to begin with. Let's just tell him that this is the problem, process my file and tell me how much I can get. Do not tell him that I know for a fact it's not gonna happen. Then in that case, he will not bother. No banker will. Because I'm telling you this because I work with bankers on a daily basis.
If bank
They
will
will
not
not
give
do it.
28 lakhs, bank may give less loan. Means less than 28, they are ready to give. 28 lakhs is a very big amount. Na? They cannot give such a big loan. But less amount they can give. I
Again,
did
ma'am,
ask him.
again, ma'am, let's not assume anything.
हाँ,
Let's just actually get the bank sanctioned letter. If you're telling me with your existing salary,
हाँ, हाँ.
if someone is going to give you 20 lakhs, there is a possibility they might give you 28 lakhs as well. You do not take a bank's call because at the end of the day, you will be getting a loan sanction from the bank. Let
Okay.
them do it. There are PSU banks as well. There are private banks as well. There are NBFCs as well. Things get done is what I'm telling you. So process, start the process. Let them tell you that they are going to give you the loan or not going to give you the loan. You do not tell them that I'm not going to get the loan. Because at the end of the day, it's you who's going to pay for it. Correct?
Hmm.
This is what I'm trying to inculcate in this conversation. That's all. And if your loan is not going to happen, then you need to tell us how exactly you're going to come up with the amount. So say, for example, if 28 lakhs loan you're not going to get, 20 lakhs loan you're going to get, then the remaining 8 lakhs, how you're going to pay would be at your tendency. Let's start the process and then we'll touch bases again and then we could possibly take a way out of it. Make sense?
Okay.
So process the loan, start your process with different banks, not just with HDFC. There are other NBFCs as well. You are telling me you have people who are working with HDFC. Have a word with them. Do not tell them कि मेरा loan होने ही नहीं वाला है.
Listen,
Tell them these are my documents.
every bank has the same criteria, na?
No,
Then,
no, they don't.
okay.
Every bank has a different process, ma'am. That's what I'm trying to tell you. There are different types of banks as well. This is exactly what I'm telling you. Let's not assume anything, ma'am. You put in your loan application. Do it with other banks. Do it with PSU banks as well. There are NBFCs as well, which are not banks, which are just financial institutions. Say, for example, like
Then
L&T or like
they will
Bajaj.
take interest also in by whatever they want, na? Now the HDFC
It's
bank
not
is
about whatever they want. It's as per the customer's application.
now whatever interest we can afford, we will see that only, na?
So now you tell me what do you want me to do? You wanted a solution, I'm giving you a solution. If you want everything, unfortunately, it's not gonna
No.
happen.
If you will tell me that go for a certain bank, any PNBC bank or any bank, and if their rate of interest is 11% and 12%, is it possible for us to pay?
What if their interest is 7%?
So now HDFC is giving by 7%.
What if their interest is also 7%, ma'am? Again, this is exactly why I'm telling you. Let's not speculate anything. Let's exactly get it done. Because you are already going on a back foot, on a negative note, and that's not going to help you. Let me be very honest about it. You're getting my point, right? What I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, I understood. Now what?
So
Now
let's
the
get
thing.
to.
See, now the thing. What I am going to do is I'm going to talk to the proper person in the bank. I'll tell him everything, whatever is my salary and all, and how much loan I'm getting. That I'll let you know.
Do, take a sanction letter. Do not
Sanction letter.
take. Hold on, hold on. Again, no, I'm telling you,
Hmm.
if you go to a bank,
Hmm.
if you tell them this is what it is, now you tell me how much loan you're gonna get. If they are giving you a verbal commitment, whether it's a yes or a no, it's illegitimate.
Hmm.
Without logging your file in, there's an
Mhm.
entire process, and I know that. That's the reason I'm telling you, ma'am.
Hmm.
There's an entire process. No one person takes a call.
Hmm.
Even a branch manager, no,
Hmm.
has no authority to take a call. There are multiple departments involved, legal, credit, so and so. So is why I'm telling you, unless and until your file is not logged in, no, your process is never gonna start. And if you're already gonna tell someone that you have problems, the first thing that will come out of his mouth will be no, because he will not bother to put your even file in if you're telling him already. उसका उतना काम बच जाता है. इसके लिए म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगतो हे नका करू. बघा हे सगळं मी वर्षांपासून करत आलेलो आहे आणि हे वर्षांपासून कस्टमरशी बोलत आलेलो आहे.
पण
मला माहिती आहे म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगतो.
समोरच्या माणसाला जर मी सांगितलं तर ते आधी माझी सॅलरी स्लिप बघायला घेणार. मी जेव्हा लोन साठी इन्क्वायरी करायला जाणार तेव्हा ते काय करणार, आधी माझ्याकडनं सॅलरी स्लिप मागणार, बँक
तुमचे
स्टेटमेंट
ITR
मागणार.
किती वर्षाचे मागतात तुम्हाला माहिती आहे मॅम? लास्ट 3 इयर्स.
हा.
लास्ट 3 इयर्स मध्ये तुमची अगोदरची सॅलरी ही रिफ्लेक्ट करणार ना,
हम्म.
म्हणजे त्या लोकांना माहिती आहे की तुमची पेइंग केपेबिलिटी आहे.
हम्म.
फक्त
पण
आतासाठी नाहीये.
नाही.
लोन तुम्हाला 20 आणि 30 वर्षांसाठी असणार.
बरोबर.
म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय माझ्याशी तुम्ही कशाला भांडताय?
मी
मला हे कळत नाही. मी तुम्हाला फक्त एवढं सांगतोय की तुम्ही लोन प्रोसेस करा. तुम्ही मला एवढी कारणं देताय का तुमचं लोन नाही होणार
कारण
म्हणून.
तुम्हाला हे
मग कसं
तुम्ही
होणार?
समोरच्याचा प्रॉब्लेमच समजून घेत नाहीये. मी तुम्हाला
अरे
काय
मॅम
बोलतेय?
तुम्ही मला कळलेलं आहे.
बघा आता
तर
आता मी
तुम्ही-
बोलू का 2 मिनिटं? तुम्ही मगाचपासून बोलताय, मी तुमचं शांतपणे ऐकते. तुम्हाला असं
अरे
वाटतं?
मॅम मी तुम्हाला म्हणतोय लोन प्रोसेस चालू करा. बोलण्याने काहीही
ओके,
होणार
ओके,
नाही.
ठीक आहे.
तुम्हाला
मी आता
एक्सटेन्शन
suppose
नाही
उद्या
मिळणार
मी-
आहे आणि तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट लागणारच आहे. हे तुम्हाला मी ब्लंटली सांगू शकतो किंवा मी तुम्हाला हेल्प करायचा प्रयत्न करू शकतो.
मला सांगा
म्हणून
तुम्ही
मी
हेच
तुम्हाला
काय करताय? मला तुम्ही हेच सांगताय की तुम्हाला इंटरेस्ट लागणार आहे आणि आम्ही काही करू शकत नाहीये, हे तुम्ही मला
Correct.
सांगताय. मग तुम्ही मला हेल्प काय केली?
म्हणून तुम्हाला सांगतोय ना की प्रोसेस चालू करा लोनचं. तुम्ही आता फक्त प्रोसेस
बरोबर आहे. तुम्ही जे मला म्हणताय ना प्रोसेस चालू करा, मी उद्याच बँकेत जाते आणि उद्याच
मग
process
परवा
चालू
आपण
करते.
बोलूया ना मॅम.
ओके,
परवा आपण
हा.
परत बोलूया. मला
परवा
प्रॉब्लेम
आपण-
नाहीये. ते
परवा
करा मी
आपण
तुम्हाला
परत
ते
बोलूया.
सांगतो.
पण ऐकता का 2 मिनिटं तुम्ही?
हा,
जेव्हा
बोला
मी
ना.
बँकेत जाणार ना तेव्हा त्या माणसांना मी मूर्ख दिसेन ना. ते मला विचारतील तुमच्या
हे परत
salary
तुम्ही अज्युम करताय ना.
कसं आहे ना,
बघा,
आता मला तुम्ही सांगा.
ऐका
मी-
मॅम, सारस्वत बँकेमधून माझेच एक क्लायंट आहे. 5 लाखाचा त्यांचा अॅन्युअल पॅकेज आहे. त्यांचंही लोन झालेलं आहे कोविड एरामध्ये.
तुम्हाला
म्हणून मी तुम्हाला-
तुम्ही माझं ऐका ना, 2 मिनिटं ऐका ना तुम्ही.
अरे मला माहिती आहे तुम्हाला एक्झॅक्टली काय बोलायचं आहे मॅम. मी तुम्हाला फक्त एवढं समजावतो आहे. तुम्ही कशाला अज्युम करताय की तुम्हाला बँक नाही देणार लोन?
अहो मग पण मी बोलू का
बोला,
2 मिनिटं?
बोला.
तुम्ही सगळं सांगताय मला काय काय होणार आहे. तुमच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे सपोज बँकने लोन दिलं जरी तरी आता आपल्याला अक्कल हवी आहे ना. समजा मला बँकने 30 लाख 28 लाखाचं लोन दिलं आणि प्री EMI फॉर एक्झाम्पल 16,000 ठेवला. तर मला सांगा, जर माझ्या हातात सॅलरी जर 22,000 येत असेल तर मी 16,000चे EMI कसा भरणार?
मग ते आता मग मॅम ते मी तुम्हाला कसं सांगू शकतो ना. बरं, तुमचे फायनान्शियस मी तुम्हाला सांगू शकतो.
जेव्हा मी लोधाला मेल टाकला की आता मला अफोर्डेबल नाहीये, हे कोविडमुळेच झालेलं आहे, आम्ही मुद्दाम नाही केले. कोविडमुळे
मुद्दाम
लोकांचे
कोणच नाही
प्रॉब्लेम
करत.
झालेले आहेत, बरोबर. मग कोविडमुळे
बरोबर.
आम्ही हा प्रॉब्लेम फेस करतोय, तर तुम्ही आम्हाला हेल्प करा, कोऑपरेट करा. मी एवढंच सांगते. मी असं नाही म्हणत आहे की तुम्ही आमचे पैसे कमी करा. आम्ही एवढंच सांगतोय की असंही तुम्ही आम्हाला पोझिशन देणार नाहीये म्हणून आम्हाला रेंटवर राहावं लागणार आहे. मग रेंटवर पण आम्ही राहायचं, नंतर आम्ही एवढ्या पैशांचं प्री EMI पण भरायचं, तर कसं आम्हाला पॉसिबल आहे? जीव द्यायची वेळ येईल ना आमच्यावर टेन्शनने. दुसरा पर्यायच नाहीये. अर्धे पैसे अडकलेले आहेत आणि बाकीचे पैसे भरायची ताकद नाहीये. मग
एक
आम्ही
मिनिट होल्ड करा
करायचं
मॅम.
काय?
हा, एक मिनिट होल्ड करा.
हा बोला.
हा सॉरी बोला मॅम.
हा
मी तुम्हाला तेच म्हणतो इन शॉर्ट की पुढचं ना आपण पुढे बघूया. पहिलं तुमचं जे इनिशियल प्रोसेस आहे ते चालू तरी करा आणि त्याच्यानंतर मला सांगा की तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युली सँक्शन कितीचं येते कितीचं नाही येते. त्या हिशोबाने जर तुमचं
लोनचं इन्स्टॉलमेंट भरू, मला तुम्ही ह्याचं उत्तर द्या ना. माझ्यासमोर हा प्रश्न आहे म्हणून मी मेल टाकलाय की
अच्छा
आता
ओके मग
माझ्याकडे
बेसिकली तुम्ही आता म्हणताय की तुमच्यावर पेमेंट नाही होणार. इन शॉर्ट
नाही
तेच
होऊ
म्हणताय ना.
शकत. कसं करणार
ठीक आहे
पेमेंट?
सर नो प्रॉब्लेम मॅम. ठीक आहे मॅम. त्याच्यामध्ये मी आणखीन तुम्हाला बोलूच नाही शकत ना मॅम. माझा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्म करायचं.
बघा तुमच्या
तुमचं demand
टीमला
कधी
असं
झालेलं
वाटत
आहे.
असेल की तुमच्या टीम मधून कोणीतरी एक येणार, आम्हाला कन्व्हिन्स करणार, पैसे आम्ही कमवतोय,
बरोबर आहे.
आम्हाला
नाही ना मी
माहिती आहे ना.
कन्व्हिन्स करायचा प्रयत्न करतच नाहीये मॅम.
हा त्यामुळे
शेवटी
मी
बघा
कसं-
पेमेंट करायचं नाही करायचं तुमच्यावर आहे.
मला
तुमचा जो
एवढंच
डिसिजन
म्हणायचंय, कोविड मध्ये जर सगळ्या लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स असे झालेले आहेत, बाकीच्या कंपनी
प्रॉब्लेम आम्हालाही झालाय ना मॅम.
हो ना, मग तुम्हाला झालाय, मग तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम आम्ही समजून घेतला. लेट झालं पोझिशन, आम्ही अग्री झालो, तुम्ही पण समजून घ्या.
हे 18 महिन्याच्या पुढे झालं तर तुम्ही समजून घेणार का?
हा काय
18 महिन्याच्या पुढे गेलो.
हा.
हे 18 महिन्याचा
हो.
ग्रेस पिरियड तर आम्हाला रेरानेच दिलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये कस्टमरचं समजणं
ग्रेस पिरियड रेराने दिलेला आहे ना, तर मग असंच आम्हाला गव्हर्नमेंटने सुद्धा सांगितलेलं आहे की ज्यांना असे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत त्यांना कोऑपरेट करायला हवं. आता हे जे प्रॉब्लेम
अच्छा मॅम नाही to be very honest with you ना ma'am, in the interest of time, no matter how long we talk about it now, we are not going to get to a solution right now. I have told you what it is. You have told me what's what. I gave you solution. Tried to give you solution and information. At the end of the day, obviously, the decision will always be yours. And whatever it is, we are not going to say no to it. So, try to get it done. Let's just hope that your salary goes back to what it was next month itself. If that happens, then you will be in a position to get the payment done next month itself. Correct?
Correct.
Let's just hope for that, because talking about the problem is not going to fetch us a solution no matter what. Right? So, I'll update with the information as per our conversation. And, well, that's about it actually.
ठीक आहे, चालेल.
You start your process though and let me know. At least attain a sanction first. Okay?
प्रोसेस काय स्टार्ट करू मला ते तुम्ही सांगा ना. काय प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करू?
ठीक आहे मॅम. नका करू. ठीक आहे चालेल. नका करू. तुमच्या हिशोबाने तुम्हाला जे करायचे तुम्ही करा. ओके?
ओके.
थँक्यू.